There's a profound sense of peace I find in the forest, an escape from the rush of everyday life. Foraging for fresh pine shoots isn't just about gathering ingredients, it's about reconnecting with nature and embracing the simplicity it offers. Each time I step into these woods, I'm reminded of the beauty in the details. The fresh scent of the pine, the gentle rustle of leaves. It grounds me, making every moment feel more alive and meaningful. Using local, fresh ingredients in my cocktails brings an authenticity that's unmatched. It's not just about the taste, it's about the story behind each ingredient, the journey it took from the forest to my glass. Foraging teaches me patience and respect for the earth. There's nothing better than crafting a cocktail with ingredients I've foraged myself. Each drink becomes a celebration of nature, a tribute to the forest that provided it. Every time I enjoy a cocktail inspired by the forest, I'm reminded of the calmness of the woods, the freshness of the pine, and the sustainable practices that made it all possible. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Here's to the simple pleasures of life, the beauty of nature, and the satisfaction of making a good drink for your loved ones. Cheers!